Hello everyone, good morning. I am Kashish from 8th standard. Today we learn plant cell. Before that we see what is eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell means that a cell having well organized nucleus with a nuclear membrane, that known as the eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell contains the animal cell also and some plant cell also. Now we see the plant cell. This thin outer layer of the cell is known as the cell membrane. It allows the movement of substance both inward and outward. This additional covering layer around the cell membrane known as the cell wall. It is made of the rigid non-living thing which known as the cellulose. It provides the protection, shape and support to the cell. This is the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like fluid which occupies space between the cell membrane and nucleus. This is the mitochondria. Mitochondria is the cell powerhouse which provides the energy for the cell. This is the endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is responsible for synthesis, storage and transport for materials. This is the chloroplast. It is also known as the green plastid. Chloroplast contain chlorophyll which is necessary for the process of photosynthesis, and leucoplast store food materials. Especially starch and chromoplast contain pigment form other than the chlorophyll. This is the Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is responsible for the secretion of many materials. This is the ribosomes. The function of the ribosomes is it provides synthesis the proteins for the cell. This is the nucleus. Nucleus is the spherical-like structure which is present in the center of the cell, surrounded by the cell cytoplasm, and it is also known as the control center of the cell. Generally only one cell was present in the cell, but in some cases nucleus was present more than one, and there is 4 parts of the nucleus. First is nuclear membrane, nuclear sap also known as the nucleoplasm, third is nucleolus, and fourth is chromosomes. This is the nucleolus. Nucleolus is the small spherical body which is present inside the nucleus.